Hello, Yankee Oscar 3 Hotel Echo X-Ray here. I've been working on a project that I like to call the EtherCAT. Basically, it's a bidirectional bridge between Ethernet and any transceiver that it's able to use CAT commands, regardless if it's CI5 from ICOM or any other protocol from EtherCAT, from Kenwood, it doesn't really matter. Now, I'm going to try to show you a little bit of it to keep it short. There is a configuration page where you can configure the IP address of the endpoint, the gateway, subnet, mask, and DNS. You can configure the TCP/IP port for bridge 1 and for bridge 2. This particular bridge, it's supporting two transceivers in the same time, so it doesn't really matter which one is it. You can choose the baud rate for the serial connection to each transceiver, and you can separately enable the bridge. So if you are having only one transceiver, you can use only one bridge. If you're having two transceivers, you can use both of the bridges. Now, on the other hand, it's also supporting remote power on, power off operations for the transceivers that are exposing in some way this particular functionality. In case of ICOM, you can use CI5 commands for power on and power off. With EtherCAT, power off is done via a CAT command that is called PS1, and you can issue that. The power on the other hand, is done via the accessory connector by pulling the power pin low for more than 100 milliseconds. So this is internally debounced. Now I'm having two transceivers here. One is an ICOM 7300 and one is an EtherCAT K3S. I'm going to show you with the 7300, it's a little bit easier. So as you can see right now, it's powered off, and you can power it on via a remote web page. So right now it's started. If we are going to a logger, let's see, I'm going to take DXlog, open it, and going to configure interfaces. You are going to choose TCP, enable it for radio 1, and click setup. You will choose 7300 because it's the set of CI5 commands that are suitable for 7300. You're just putting the IP address of the endpoint, and you are going to put in the port, and that's kind of it. And you will have access to the CAT commands. If I'm moving the VFO here, you can see that it's extremely responsive, no delay of any kind. You can change the mode SSB, and the transceiver will go to SSB mode. We can change it to CW. Basically, you will have the same functionality as the USB CAT without any delays. Okay. You can also go directly to a frequency, let's say, yeah, you can see the transceiver is jumping. This is the DXlog, and of course it's also possible with November 1 mic. You are going to configure ports, so you say TCP port 7300, and you are going to fill in the details here, and you will end up with the same functionality, okay, by QSY to 20, for example, or QSY to 10, or QSY to 15, whatever. It's not a problem. You can change the mode in the same way. Yeah. You can also go back to CW, okay, and everything is working without any kind of delay or any kind of bumps in the road. And of course, by going back here, we can power off the transceiver by issuing a power off command. So there is an LCD on which you can see some status information, and it will let you know, for example, if your link is down, you will get a warning, Ethernet link down, check cable, check link. Yeah, the connection will be restored when you are going to put the Ethernet cable back. It's a little bit hard to do it one-handed, so it will resume normal operation. It will show you which bridge is on and which bridge is off, various information that is very useful. Now, I hope you enjoy this and you find it useful. Probably it will be published. I really don't know if I'm going to publish it right now in this format, or the hacks will be available for you to build your own if you are interested. This is Yankee Oscar 3 Hotel Echo X-Ray. Wishing you a very fine day ahead, 73, and all the best, and I will keep you posted. Cheers, guys.